Welcome to the midweek recap of English language news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Friuli Venezia Giulia approves a €28 million boost for energy, transport and growth.
Friuli Venezia Giulia has approved €28 million in additional funding for renewable energy, transport, infrastructure, schools and business development as part of its broader €1 billion budget plan.
Sì, la Giunta oggi ha approvato un'ulteriore iniezione importante di risorse per migliorare ancora di più la competitività del sistema, in particolare con risorse per gli accordi di insediamento per le imprese, con un'attenzione alle comunità energetiche regionali e anche agli efficientamento degli edifici a vantaggio dei comuni. C'è un'attenzione dedicata e rafforzata al sistema portuale, soprattutto con gli scambi combinati relativi appunto allo sviluppo di tutta l'area regionale a tal fine.
Environmental Pact supports Trieste port expansion.
The Port Authority of the Eastern Adriatic Sea and ARPA Friuli Venezia Giulia sign a deal through 2030, building environmental oversight into every stage of port projects.
L'accordo è fra l'ARPA, che è il braccio operativo dell'assessorato all'ambiente della Regione, e l'autorità portuale di Trieste e Monfalcone, affinché ci sia una sinergia per lavorare insieme a fianco dell'autorità portuale, a fianco delle imprese, per lo sviluppo logistico portuale appunto del nostro hub territoriale Trieste.
Sì, è un accordo istituzionale molto importante che viene molto bene anche per il periodo storico del porto, perché adesso cominceremo a realizzare le grandi opere, sia Servola che il Molo Ottavo. Cosa abbiamo voluto fare insieme alla Regione? Abbiamo inteso che anche nella progettazione esecutiva di queste opere si erano già contenuti tutte le verifiche ambientali a tutela della sostenibilità ambientale già nei progetti. Poi seguiremo i cantieri e quindi ci sarà poi un sistema di monitoraggio costante.
Italy sizzles as third summer heat wave pushes temperatures toward 41 degrees Celsius.
Italy is experiencing one of its earliest heat waves in recent years, with temperatures climbing toward 35 degrees Celsius across much of the country. In Friuli Venezia Giulia, the unusually hot and humid weather has transformed daily life, where residents are flocking to the waterfront to cool off in the Adriatic Sea.
Trieste bids farewell to the classic ticket punch.
Trieste Trasporti is introducing a new digital ticket validation system, replacing its long-time mechanical punch machines. Passengers can now validate paper tickets with a QR code scanner or pay contactlessly with a bank card or smartphone, while onboard assistants are helping riders adapt to the new technology.
Cosa ne pensa del nuovo sistema di convalidazione del biglietto? È facile da usare?
È facile per chi sa le normative, altrimenti ovviamente le persone li mettono attaccati sotto, come il bancomat, no? Come il telefonino.
Ma io l'ho usato la prima volta questa mattina, è andato perfetto, ho letto il piccolo per fortuna, diceva 10 centimetri in fondo a destra, mantenere la distanza, luce verde, è andato perfetto.
A me sembra una complicazione. Lei sale in un autobus, quello parte. E lei cosa fa? Come fa a pensare timbro per qua, timbro per là? Intanto non ha equilibrio, a parte che io sono vecchia e non ho equilibrio, io devo subito prendermi, ma nel frattempo devo pensare, devo timbrare per qua, no, per me non va bene. Non va bene, a parte che io ho l'abbonamento, così ho risolto tutto.
Trieste welcomes Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, known for its inclusive atmosphere.
Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady has made its first ever stop in Trieste on Wednesday, bringing around 1,900 passengers to the city. The adults-only cruise ship, popular with LGBTQ+ travelers, has spent the day in port before continuing its Adriatic voyage.
So we got in about 2 days ago, and it's been very gorgeous. So I'm from Arizona. We went to the castle and the Catholic church up there. Oh my God, gorgeous. So, and the rest of the time we've just been wandering around having spritz and such. So it's been a great time. I've been on a cruise before, but this will be my first Atlantis cruise. Never been on one of them, so this will be my first time. Yeah, it's going to be kind of fun and exciting to get on and then see all the different ports. So it's going to be 10 days. So really looking forward to that.
Yes, this is my first time in Trieste. This is my first cruise, but I've heard very good things about it. I have a lot of friends who have been on the cruise here and the cruise out of the US, and they all have had an amazing time. So I can't wait to see what it offers.
It's all adult, so it's geared more toward adults with lots of bars and like martini bars, not as much like water slides and some of the other things you see on ships with geared more towards families and kids.
The ship was fantastic. The food was absolutely delicious, and I think I put on a few kilos. And a lot of activities. So we're exhausted from all the activities. During the day, there's lots of shows into the evening, parties, which are all themed. It was really a fun time.
Italy may be out, but the World Cup spirit lives on in Trieste.
Despite not qualifying for the World Cup, Italians are still tuning in to the final stages of the tournament. Following or interested in the World Cup?
Yes, of course, yes, a lot.
Who do you support?
Argentina, of course. The world champion.
Are they going to win?
I hope so. It's difficult, but I hope so.
Who are they facing in the next matchup?
England. It's a really important game for us.
Yeah.
I think that for England too, but for us it's like an historical game.
Yeah. No, I prefer doing sport than watching it.
No, I'm not interested.
And is there anything that you are watching now?
Yes, now I'm watching the Wimbledon tournament.
Yes, I've been watching almost every match, I think. Yeah.
And who do you support? Who do you want to win?
Well, I'm from Chile, so I definitely don't want Argentina to win. But I thought Norway was a really interesting competitor, but right now I'm more for England or maybe France.
Thank you for watching In Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.